Brian Nash from How We Got Here Genealogy, and I'm doing a follow-up video to this video right here, which I posted a few weeks back, where I shared my DNA results from my heritage. Now, the premise of that was I know what my family history is from doing research, and I want to see the ethnicity results. The reason for doing the DNA test wasn't necessarily to see that. It's a fun thing to do, and really even calling it ethnicity is a little off. It's more like origin results. There were several people commented that, oh, Ancestry DNA or some of the other DNA tests are more accurate. It's not really a matter of accuracy. It has to do with their pools and the groups of people that are in them and where they come from. But I did want to take up the challenge. I hadn't done an Ancestry DNA test, so they had a recent sale, which they do every so often. So I went and I ordered myself one, and it arrived in the mail. So here we go. So it arrived yesterday, so I'm gonna just open it and I'm gonna see what exactly this is. I know from watching other Ancestry DNA videos, it is a little different than the MyHeritage. The MyHeritage does a scraping of your cheeks with a little swab, where this I know is a spittle one. So let's just see what it is and what the instructions are. Now, it's not really as nicely boxed as the MyHeritage DNA ones, but let's see what we have here. Okay, so like the MyHeritage one, we do have a unique activation code. We have a little thing for when we're done putting it back, and this is the spittle tube. And the response, paid response, there's no stamp required. It's paid by the receivee. That's a little different than MyHeritage. In MyHeritage, I had to pay to send it back in the mail. So that's a little better. So let's see what the instruction says. Welcome to the beginning of your story. It tells me how to activate it and what I need to do. So these are the instructions I'm going to do. So the first one is I'm going to spit in the tube. And it wants me to spit up to, there we go, this black line here. So this black line, as you can see. So what we're going to do is we're going to do that. I'm just going to pause the camera here because it's really kind of a little disgusting thing. So I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
So that actually barely took any time at all. I was really surprised. So I'm going to show it up here. I'm just up to the black line. It took me actually only two sections of spittle to do it. I did it a lot quicker than the other ones I've seen on TV. I don't know if it's just the way it is, or with myself, or what's been going on. Okay, so what we do next is we replace the funnel with the cap. So I took off the funnel. This is the cap. So this, this is supposed to then release the stabilizer. Screw it on tightly, and there. You see the stabilizer went there. So I'm supposed to shake it for at least 5 seconds. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's more than 5 seconds. I want to make sure. So now I put it in this bag. It's a very similar thing to the MyHeritage. Nothing else goes in this bag. Just here. So it's all done. So I have my paid packaging. I'm going to put it in here. And I'm going to seal it up. And there's nothing else I need to do. Everything's on there. There's a barcode. It's probably the hardest part so far has been sealing this. So after all that, I got it all sealed, ready to go here. Really great, like I said, that it's paid to send back. I don't have to pay. With my ancestry, MyHeritage, I had to pay, I think it was $7-8 to actually mail it. So this is really convenient, especially since it's going all the way to Ireland. So right now it's May 8th. It's a Saturday night, so this will go in the mail. I'll chuck in the mail probably Monday morning. That would be the 10th of May. So let's see how long it actually takes to get there. Okay, so what I'm going to do, like I said, send this in the mail. I'm going to end this video now, and I'm going to do a second part of this video when it arrives. So like and subscribe right down there. Yeah, right down there. There should be the like button, the subscribe button. You can the like button's over about here. The subscribe button's over here. Just ring that bell so you keep up to date. I'll be doing some more videos in the interim before I get this, and I'm looking forward to the time when this comes. The only other thing we're going to do is I just need to activate this and register online, which I'm going to do after this video. And like I said, I'll be putting this in the mail, and it should go out on May 10th. So let's see how long it actually takes to get the results.